प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट्स। तो देखते हैं फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज क्या कहता है डिटर्मिनेंट्स का। फॉर एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ए, डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ ए satisfied the following properties. First properties, determinants of transpose of a matrix is equal to determinants of matrix A, where A dash is transpose of a matrix. Let's take example. Suppose A be a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now find determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1 5 6 8 9 minus 2 4 6 7 9 plus 3 4 5 7 8. Now 1 into 9 5 is 45 minus 8 6 is 48 minus 2 9 4 is 36 minus 42 7 6 is 42 plus 3 8 4 is 32 minus 7 5 is 35. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3. तो माइनस 3 बन जा 3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 6 टू जा 12 प्लस 3 3 जा 9 that is equal to 0. Now we transpose this matrix, we get A transpose. A transpose is what? We transpose row into columns, so then we get another matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now determinants of A transpose is equal to 1 to 5 8 6 9 minus 4 2 8 3 9 plus 7 2 5 3 6. Now 1 9 5 ja 45 minus 8 6 ja 48 minus 4 9 2 ja 18 minus 8 3 ja 24 plus 7 6 2 ja 12 minus 15. तो minus 3 into 1 minus 4 into 18 minus 24 minus 6 plus 7 into 3. तो minus 3 plus 20 minus minus plus 24 और that is minus 7 3 जा 21. तो minus 21 minus 3 24 minus 24 plus 24 that is equal to 0. So first property is what? A transpose determinants of A transpose is equal to determinants of A. That is first property. Second property is, if we interchange any two row or a column, then sign of determinant change. Let's take example. Suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now determinant of A is 4 1 ja 4 3 2 ja 6. That is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now if we interchange any two row or any two column, suppose here now we change AT transpose. Now row Now we interchange row 1 3. So let suppose it is a determinant of a is 3 2 ja 6 minus 4 1 ja 4, that is equal to 2. So here change, only sign of determinant is change, value not change. Third property is, if any two rows or column in determinants are identical or proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. Let's check example. A is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here two row R1 or R2 are identical, therefore determinants of A is, let's check, 1 2 3 5 6 minus 2 1 3 4 6 plus 3 1 2 4 5. So 6 2 ja 12 minus 5 3 ja 15 minus 2 into 6 1 ja 6 minus 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 5 1 ja 5 minus 4 2 ja 8. तो 12 minus 15 minus 3 into 1 minus 2 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 3 5 into minus 8 in minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 minus minus plus 6 2 ja 12 plus minus minus 3 3 ja 9. तो minus 9 और minus 3 minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. तो property is what? Here two row R1 or R2 are identical, then determinant is 0. Fourth property, if we multiply each element of a row or a column of a determinant by constant k, then the value of determinant is multiplied by k. Let's take example. Suppose a is equal to 1 2 3 4. Determinant of a is what? 4 1 ja 4 3 2 ja 6, यानी 3 minus 2. Now if we multiplied by 2 in R1, therefore we get a equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 3 4. So now determinant of a is 4 2 ja 8 minus 3 4 ja 12, that is equal to minus 4. So now fourth property is clear. If we multiplied each element of row by 2, determinants becomes 2 times of previous determinants.